Good. Hey. Well, I'm not excited today. Actually, I'm a little sad. Gotta tell you something. Not real happy. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. I'm not happy at all. And normally you guys watch me as this happy-go-lucky guy, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm upset and sad. Man, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. All right, listen to me. You have not signed up as a founder yet, and I don't know why. What's happening? Hey. You got Captain Chris Johnson. I thought I'd trick you a little bit there because I like being funny once in a while. Had a really crazy night last night. My brother, Mahfouz from Bangladesh, sent me the funniest song video I've ever seen. I shared it on my Facebook and all over. Marty put it in the back office. Ash Mafora absolutely loved it. Hey, Donna, Yvonne, Diane, what's happening? Barash, Dawn McIntyre. My gosh, I got to catch up with the names here. Listra, what's happening? Jacqueline Lewis, Raheem. You know, I always got to do something silly, guys. That's what I like to do. So, lots going on today. Once again, we have the Monday 2 o'clock. That was a good one, eh, Lister? I thought so, too. We have the 2 o'clock today, Founders Only presentation Q&A. Always going to give out this reminder, guys, when you come on that, ask your question and get off. We appreciate every one of you. We know how much you love us and we love you, but just really get on, ask your question. There's over 1,000 people that have some questions. They want to learn, new people every day. What's up, Fahir? How you doing? So when you get on that link is in the back office. Do not share that. That's for private founders only. Get on and ask your question. You'll have the best of the best on that show answering questions, which is really cool. So just respect that, guys. They have a lot of work to do. And the rumor is we get paid. We don't get paid. I haven't made a dime. In Leadership Council, someone keeps putting out we get paid. Hey, guys, we don't get paid. That's the honest God truth. You know when we get paid? The same as you, when we go into soft launch, when we launch. That's when we get paid. So, real excited to talk about a brand new show tonight. It's 1 hour long. James Bell and Susan DeVoe. Now, if you don't know about these two, I'm sure you heard about Susan and James. James is on everything. Susan has built a pretty great big team, and she wants to get out. She's an excellent speaker. She's very professional. So that is at 7 o'clock tonight. That link is also posted in the back office under Leadership Council. Check it out. It's 1 hour long. I guarantee you'll be blown away by this lady and James. Really, it's going to be a good show. I just have a feeling about that. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I know she's probably going to do a real quick presentation, the Q&A. She wants to keep it to an hour, which is really cool. And then right after that, and I will post that link on my Facebook when it's done. Right after that, we got the Cedric Flowers, Kevin Rutledge stand-up, which is another great presentation Q&A. That one goes anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours. It's really good. So I will have all those links on my Facebook. We'll also put them in the back office for you. And I'm not going to put them on right now because I get so much stuff it gets lost in the shuffle. What else is going on today? Well, let me tell you something about Onpassive, okay? Last week we touched on a lot of things because some guy put a video out that wasn't real positive. But I want to let you know something, you guys. Eventually, positive and negative come together. All right, they do come together. And what happens when you got a battery, you got a positive and negative side. What happened? That battery gives life. It gives life. So all those people that are the negatives, when we launch, they're going to quickly turn into positives. And they're going to meet in the middle and say, wow, this is pretty cool. They're saying I'm having stream problems. I hope not. But just think about that battery, guys. Positive. Hey, Red, what's happening? Ann Long, Diane Lennon. Good, Red. Good live today, Red. I really liked what you had to say. What's up, Julie? Wen? Ruth Bass. Bill Must, there you are. I want to shout out again to my brother, Bill Must, Timmy Johnson, John White. If you guys check out that link for that funny video Mafars did is in Leadership Council. Marty posted it. Ash made 3 pretty cool comments on it, and that's what we need. What a lot of you don't understand is we want you to laugh, we want you to smile, we want you to be happy while we're waiting for this process to fall out. Okay, and it's falling the best way it could be done. I'm not sure if Ash is speaking this weekend. As soon as I find out, or this week I should say, we'll let you know. Red will talk about it, Marty will talk about it, I'll talk about it, and everyone else will talk about it. So it's all about when he's ready, when he's going to come out. Everything is on schedule. You heard Marty say it, you heard Red say it all the time. It is on schedule, guys, but he wants it done absolutely correct. I've talked in the past about, you can Google go on there and Google big tech companies, any company, product fails. It'll explain to you how they failed, why they failed. Because they rush things, they miss something. They miss something so small that it cost them that company. All right, Ash Mafara has studied this for 20 years. He studied it for 20 years. He didn't look at what they were doing right. He looked at what they were doing wrong, okay? And he took that knowledge and that experience and he built Onpassive, and he doesn't want nothing wrong. He changes things all the time for the better, to better quality, everything. So just be patient. Just be patient. It is coming. If you guys heard him talking about commerce and market, that was pretty big on the Julie, was it Monday in California? That was huge. That video was posted. I think I have it on my Facebook. Redfern, Marty DeGarmo have been putting out some amazing lives. A lot of people have. Anything I share on my Facebook, I had a lady call me today. I'm going to remember her name. Was it Judy? Let me think what her name was. She asked for my help. She said, Chris, how can you help me? And my thing is, I told her you could share anything you want on my Facebook. You could share anything you want on my Facebook. You do not need my permission. If it's going to help you build your team, I wish I could find. I got to check my email. That's what I got to do. If it can help build your team, all right, that's what we want to do. Let me find here. Janet Farq Carson, if I pronounced that right. All right, Janet, this is a shout out for you. If you know Janet and she decides to share this video, get back with her and ask her all about Onpassive. It's truly an amazing company. It's not only about being successful, getting us to that success, but helping the world in its problems. Every company is going to follow suit with our Bless, which everyone knows is my favorite. But man, he talked about that commerce and market. That's going to be my favorite and a half right now, because that's truly going to build businesses all over the world. And see, the people that are the naysayers and stuff like that, they don't understand what this guy's actually doing. He's done some pretty amazing things in his lifetime, not for himself, but to help people out. He's built huge things for companies that's made those companies a lot of money. And in the process, he's had actually built success, but he didn't like what they were doing on a lot of things. That's why Onpassive was dreamed about, built, designed, and it's happening now. So anyone that's a founder, and I got to go back down to the names, this laptop's kind of tough. Hey, Mark, what's happening? QM, what's happening? Oh my God, there's a tough one. Keel Slameyer. If I got that wrong, I apologize. Justin, how you doing? Ann Long, MD Rana, Cyrus. I love some of these names. They're cool. But guys, today's a great day, founders. If you're brand new, we're signing up 3,000 a day. What's the number? We've got I think we're going on 895,000. We're real close to getting to the 900,000 mark, which is really exciting for us. We're all trying to snap that picture when it hits, and that's cool to do. But remember this, get out there and share this, people. Get out there and share this. Don't be afraid to do it. There's someone that tells you no, they maybe weren't meant to be a founder. Hey, Timothy Dillon. Hey, Ralph. Tanvir, what's happening? Don't be afraid to share this, folks. Someone says no, so what? Next. They're going to be resellers, I guarantee you that. Why wouldn't you join something that's going to pay you for doing nothing? There's people that are standing in line just waiting for it to go into hard launch, which are a lot of MLM companies, a lot of companies. when they know it launched to the world, they're going to use these products like you wouldn't believe. It's going to blow up their business. It's going to help everyone out. So if you do have a birthday today, happy birthday. Quite a few birthdays. I reached out to you over this morning and wished you happy birthday. If you're sick, we're praying for you. If you're down, I want you up. If you want to laugh, go watch Mafusa's video because it is funny. It's cute. Let me tell you something about Mafus. That's the kind of guy he is. He's from Bangladesh. I'm very good friends with him. And he reached out to me a while ago and said, hey, Chris, come on our show. Myself, Marty jumped on, and we brought the whole team with us just to support. Bangladesh is growing huge. Very excited about that. And literally, this guy Mafus sends me his kids saying, hey, hey, hey. And it's the cutest thing you ever heard. And boom, he kicks out this funny song. And he says, I don't know how it's going to go. I said, anything funny works, Mafus. It's a great thing you did. Ash Mafar absolutely loves it. It's being shared everywhere. If you do see that video on my Facebook, share it out. Make someone smile. Onpassive is about making people smile. Don't worry if you're not building a team, because when it comes, it's going to do it all for you. If you can get out there and find a couple people, that's great. Make some posts. Maybe do a live if you want. If you look on my Facebook, I share everyone's lives. It's not just me on here. I share everyone's lives. Why? Because I want to help them. I want to help them. And that's pretty much what we do. Leadership Council is here to help you build your team, to give you instructions on maybe something you might be doing wrong or right. We're here to help you. That's what we're all about here. We're not here to put us up. Our job is to bring you up. Our job is to support you. Okay? But we don't get paid. I can testify to that. Our job is because we love this. We believe in it, and we want you to believe in it. All right, we want to put you people on that pedestal. We have a lot of things going along with me, Red, Marty, Julie, everyone. All right, we want to start acknowledging everybody, which we do every day. Bill Musk does one heck of a job, and Timmy Johnson and John White about putting out some great videos. We're trying to reach out to people, the underdogs, who maybe appear on every webinar. All right, and maybe they don't talk. We want you guys out there. We want to hear your voices. We want to see what you got to say. We know you believe in it. But to me, we all are number one. There's nobody bigger or better. We're all the same. Doesn't matter what color, race, anything. It doesn't matter. We're all number one. Some of us are a little more vocal about it. And that's okay. We want you to be vocal. There's a lot of Chris Johnsons out there. Trust me. Boy, that's a scary thought. There's a lot of Red Redferns. There's a lot of Marina Favits. There's a lot of Julie Wenz. There's a lot of Marty DeGarmos. You just haven't come out yet. But you will. You will. I promise you that. And when we launch to the world, every one of us are going to be the most successful people in the world for doing nothing. Thank God for Ash Mafara. Thank God for Ash Mafara and what he's done for us. So, talking way too much. Please get on that 2 o'clock. That's in the back office. 7 o'clock tonight. The Canadians are in the house. Susan DeVoe, James, Bell, Cedric, and Kevin at 8 o'clock. Get on these guys. Check it out. I guarantee you will not be, you're not going to be upset. You get your money back, guys. Come into it. Pay the $97. Check it out. All right, just check it out. I guarantee you won't go nowhere. $97. $97 to get in the biggest company that's ever going to be in the world. Why? You know why it's going to be successful? Because it's a company that gives back. It gives back to the people. Every person. So I got to get going. I'm talking too much. Marty's going to beat me up. I love you all. Let me see if I missed any names here real quick. Angels list is still growing. I might start talking about that on the weekends. Hey, Ivana, how you doing? Sharon, Samath, Dada, how you doing? Mihidi, Hassan, how are you, sir? Bill Musk actually posted that funny video on there, and it's funny. You'll laugh. If you don't laugh, there's something wrong with you. We want you to laugh and smile and be happy. Remember, last week we had some things posted that were negative. Let's turn it into a positive. Let's be that battery. Let's be that battery that gives negative, positive, and gets things going, brings things to life. Just remember that. You are the foundation of Onpassive. Nobody is going to knock us down. We're going to keep going. We literally are going to run over the negative people, and then we're going to join them as resellers. How do you like that one? All right. I love that. I got to go. I love you. I'll post all those links on my Facebook in a couple hours so they don't get lost. I love you all. Praying for you all. And you guys, trust me. Just get into this. Just check it out. $97 is going to pretty much change your life completely. All my auto worker buddies going through all those part shortages. All right. Yeah, we got some negative people saying stuff about me in the auto. That's fine. But a lot of you have joined. A lot of you are just waiting for it to happen, which is great. But any of you guys out there that are my buddies in the auto field, call me up. Ask me about it. I'll tell you what's going on and why it's worth it. And $97, guys, better than any lottery ticket you'll ever buy. There's no gain in buying a lottery ticket because you never really win. Some of you won. I actually got one person on here that's a founder. She won a lot of money, and she still signed up as a founder. What does that tell you? So remember that. I love you all. We'll see you later. Bye, Bill Musk. I'll call you in a minute. See ya.